Michael Hall's first picture book concerns the shape of a heart. Eager as a beaver. Steady as a yak. Hopeful as a hungry heron fishing for a snack. Cool as a penguin. Crafty as a fox. Quiet as a caterpillar wearing knitted socks. The end. My heart is like a zoo.